Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I have come with another video. I hope you are safe during these days. It's always better to learn something than to sit at your home doing nothing. So why don't we learn something instead of just wasting our time? So once again, thank you to all for giving precious response on the previous video. In previous video, I have given the Python course which was free on Udemy. If you haven't watched my previous video, then I will recommend you to watch it. The link will be given in the description. Today I am back with the new platform. Today I will show two Let's Upgrade course and the process to enroll it. Before getting started, if you are new on this channel, then subscribe my channel. Some of you guys have query like why do I have to do Let's Upgrade course? In Let's Upgrade there are live sessions on the YouTube. It gives knowledge related to the course. If you submit your assignment and attendance properly, then you will get chance to give the exam. And if you pass the exam, then you will get the certificate. So let's get started and please watch the full video to avoid the confusion. If currently there are two ongoing courses of Let's Upgrade, which you can still enroll and earn a certificate, and you can also view the session on YouTube which you have missed. If you have joined my group, you might have seen my previous blog, which consists of 10 plus courses that were provided. But now, two courses are started live with certification. The first course is Data Structure and Algorithm. It is a live class are only available in India. This course consists of competitive coding section, 8 hours of mentorship and industry expert quick doubt solving over community, get certified on course completion and no fee request. The, the second course is Python and Django programming. In this only Python course is free. It consists of unlimited course availability, project-based, hand-based on learning, personal and professional upgrade, access to a collaborative community, guest lecture by top industry and MS figures. I recommend you to do this course because the teaching is good and I have also completed a few previous course and I have earned the certificate that on your screen now. I have also done the course of Python and Java SSL. Also, Let's Upgrade has collaboration with ITM EduTech Training, PVT, LTD, Nsdc, Skill India. All the links of the course are given in the description. If you have any doubt or query, mention it in the comment section. So guys, if this video has helped you even a bit, then please like and comment below. It's my personal goal to reach 15 comments and 50 likes. This would really motivate me to make more videos like this. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.